everybody, it's Callie and I'm back with another layout. And today I am going to scrap these photos of my best friend and her husband and me as well. So this is a picture from February of this year, and I was in Florida with them on Marco Island where they have a place. And we took these photos. My friend and I take photos together, but we never get photos of her husband in them. So this was kind of cool. And he's become, obviously, if she's my best friend, he's become a very close friend as well, too. So kind of fun that we're doing this. So I've started out here and I've got a piece of like floral paper there. And that floral paper is from Simple Stories, Sunshine and Blue Skies. It's a scrap, so I can't tell you exactly which paper it is, but I know it's that collection. I'm going to mount that whole kind of cluster of the floral paper where I'm going to mat that on the green paper. And that's my favorite Doodlebug Petite Prince and Grasshopper Gingham Linen. And then I'm going to take that and mount the whole thing on that blue heart paper, which is right there. And that is from Bella Boulevard, Bella Besties, and it's the blueberry hearts and ombre paper. And so I'm kind of playing around with some stickers. This border sticker comes from the Simple Stories Sunshine and Blue Skies collection, the combo cardstock stickers, which is the collection for that floral paper. And I was kind of measuring where things were because I wanted to add that in. And so I love that touch of the floral at the bottom. And then it gives that whole mat kind of a place to sit. So it sort of looks like a little shelf. So I have these two floral stickers there. Those are coming from that same Simple Stories Sunshine and Blue Skies combo cardstock stickers there. And I'm sort of playing around with some other elements. So I've got the sunglasses there. That is actually a chipboard piece from the Sunshine and Blue Skies papers, I believe as well. I'm sorry. No, it's not. It's a puffy sticker. Sorry. It's a puffy sticker from the Echo Park Dive into Summer puffy sticker. So sorry about that, guys. And then I'm playing around here because I want to add something to journal on. And I found this Ellie Studio label stickers. They're the everyday label stickers in kind of a floral color that goes really, really well with this whole thing. So then I also found, I have that little seashell, which is from those puffy stickers from Dive into Summer. That's in that cluster now. And then I have that little label that I'm adding in there. I am thinking as I'm doing this that if I put those two clusters there, that's great. And I like how they look going from the left to the right. But I'm feeling like that top of the whole layout looks really bare. I do have a title to put on here, but it won't take up all of that space. So I'm thinking at this point that I am going to do something at the top, probably right, so I'm working on that right now. So I grabbed a suitcase puffy sticker from the Echo Park Dive into Summer puffy stickers. And then another label. And then I found that circle puffy sticker from the Ellie Studio Good Stuff puffy stickers, which is from this year. So kind of playing with maybe using a bigger floral cluster, because that way then I can get the smaller floral cluster on the top right, and then I'll have a floral cluster in each of my embellishment clusters. Even though they're different, they're still the same elements. Kind of looking at adding that circle element down in the bottom cluster now instead. And then I'm kind of liking the suitcase, but then I decide, you know what? I actually think I like the green circle puffy up there. And then, and because of that, just the proportion, I changed the label out to something a little bit higher. It wasn't, otherwise I would have covered most of it. All right, now to give some dimension to those clusters, I am going to add the foam tape. That's what that's called. The foam tape on the back of those. So now they rest up above the labels there. And I'm going to do this eventually, at least in each of the clusters. So then I can tuck things behind. So in this particular case now I can tuck that suitcase in behind, and I just like the way that looks. I don't need a lot of journaling space, just a little bit to remind myself of how much I appreciate these two and what good friends they are, and how really super generous they are in sharing their beautiful, beautiful home in Florida with me. So it's hard to tell, but there is ocean in the back of those photos. So it just reminds me of the view that I have when I'm there, which you've seen quite a bit. All right, so liking the way those clusters look now. I do have to say though, on the bottom right, I forgot that I wanted to put a globe. I have these globes from the Hobby Lobby, from their paper studio line, and their acrylic globes with kind of like a sparkle in them. I added that in after the end because I found it in my embellished pile of embellishments that I wanted to use. Just forgot about it. So that'll go in the bottom right, and you'll see it in the photographs. Just adding the title in here, and those that's a Puffy Alpha from Pink Fresh Studio, the super cool Puffy Alpha stickers. So that's all done. And then I want to add in some enamel dots. So there's lots of different texture and heights in this layout. I'm really loving the way that looks. So these are the Altenew Glacier Caves colorway. And this really seriously is one of my favorite layouts that I've done lately. So fun that it's a favorite layout about two of my favorite people. And I'm just about done as soon as I get that one on there. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.